Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Coodeals. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Coodeals. So I got two diamond paintings. These ones are both crystal rhinestones. So they told me that there's some new crystal rhinestones, but it looks like they also gave me some DMC stickers here. So if you're wanting to label things with your DMCs, these are just nice simple ones. These are like the more glossy kind. And what is this? Oh, and this is cover paper. So if you don't like using the plastic cover, you could also use these cover paper to cover your diamond paintings. I actually probably prefer the cover paper over the clear plastic. Just because it helps. I'm one of those people who diamond paint in sections, and if you diamond paint in sections, then if you're using the clear cover, you'll just keep going sometimes and just like, oh, I'll just diamond paint a little bit more, and I'll just diamond paint a little bit more. So yeah. So like I said, both of these are crystal rhinestones. At the time of me getting these, there was not that many choices for pictures. So I did look. I think there's a little bit more choices. That's what I meant to say. So it looks like toolkit is white boat, pink pen, some baggies, and then some tweezers, and then a big plate of wax. So the last time I got from Coodeals, they did have this different backing here. So they have the felty backing and then the scalloped edges. And I find that kind of canvas is some of the clearest canvases. So the first one I got is this one here. It kind of looks like Tweety Bird in a intricate cup here. So this one, I got a 40 by 40 round drill. So this thing has 30 colors. It has my favorite legend, which is 1, 2, 3 ABC, except they must have mistaken the Z for a 2. And their size is canvas size. So the picture usually is 5 centimeters smaller, so this is a 35. Yeah, 35 by 35. And drill field is very, very clear. I have to say that I've done several diamond paintings from Coodeals, and I've usually been very happy with their rendering style, but I have to say they're doing really well in improvements to their quality. Like, this is very clear, like super clear. And as someone who normally doesn't use a light pad, that's always great. So the diamond painting does come with an inventory sheet here, and there's that original image. And these are crystal rhinestones. So if you haven't done a diamond, man, my nails look horrible. Excuse my nails. It's winter. So you haven't done a crystal rhinestones, these are how they look. And it looks like they're in the individual baggies. Just showing some random colors. So this is available in rounds and squares, and you could get them, you could get this one as small as 35 by 35 to as big as 100 by 100 centimeters. This one is a 40 by 40, and this one is $18.91. So depending on size, it'll go up in price. I think that looks nice. And then the other one I got is actually the square. It's a square. So it seems like it has the same kind of canvas, same toolkit, except, like I said, these are squares. Ooh. I'm very happy that there are more and more companies doing the square crystal rhinestones, because if you haven't, well, my favorite diamond painting shape to diamond paint is the square drills. So I was very happy when square crystal rhinestones started coming out, because they're actually really, really fun and blingy. So I got this mushroom diamond painting here. This thing has 26 colors. It looks like it has the same legend. And drill field is also very clear. And if you've only done rounds, you might be like, I don't know if you ever have noticed how much smaller the legend is, or how much smaller the drill field is for rounds. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell from this. Like look at how much bigger the B, like the letters and rounds are. So wait, I said this is a 40 by 50, so this is probably a 35 by 45 in 35 by 45. And these are squares. Yeah. So here's the original picture. It's this mushroom here with like drops coming down from it. The legend is actually not in DMC order. But let's look at some of the colors. This looks, if it'll focus. Focus. There you go. Some nice pink. Ooh, this one's pretty. The dark red. I don't even know if you can tell. It looks like there's going to be a lot of purple. Purple. And a lot of this is supposed to be black, but it's like a bluish. And some pinks with some oranges here. All right, so that's the two that I'm unboxing for this video here. some mushrooms, bird, and then some DMC labels, and then some cover paper. All right, so I am actually planning right after me recording this video to kit this one up because I'm excited to try Coodeals' version of square crystal rhinestones. So be on the lookout for the kitting up of this. So that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to Coodeals for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.